हाय गाइस, आज वापस मिलते हैं 12th स्टैंडर्ड के लिए। आज क्या देखने वाले हैं? वी आर नियरिंग द एंड ऑफ द चैप्टर नाउ, डेरिवेटिव्स। सो आई हैव टेकन वन एग्जांपल फ्रॉम हायर ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव्स। अगेन हायर ऑर्डर इज थोड़ा लार्जर टाइप है, इसमें बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स है। अदर डे वी सॉ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ पैरामीट्रिक एंड हायर ऑर्डर। आज सिर्फ हायर ऑर्डर का एक एग्जांपल है। Let us see what the example is about. Okay, ready? Let us see. Okay, it is a combination of parametric and higher order. दोनों equation है. There is a equation of x, there is a equation of y. When there are two equations with a third variable, they are called as parametric equations. So, first of all, by the method of parametric derivatives, find dx by dt, dy by dt, and then parametric formula dy by dx, dy by dt upon dx by dt, and then get the answer. Okay, here is the parametric formula as usual. Right? So देखेंगे how do we start now. Key step, as I said, in important problems we are going to write down key steps. Key step, get dy by dx equal to minus x upon y and cross multiply. Let us see how to get minus x upon y. dy by dx पहले, dy by dx equal to minus x upon y. What is the method for solving parametric equations? Consider the equation of x, consider the equation of y. I'll start by considering the equation of x. Consider x is equal to a sin t minus b cos t. T is the parameter. So differentiate with respect to t as usual. So when you differentiate with respect to t, क्या मिलता है? dx by dt. A constant outside d by dt of sin t, सब जगह पे d by dt. B constant outside d by dt of cos t. So what do we get, friends? Derivative of sin t is cos t minus b into derivative of cos t is minus sin t. और माइनस ऑफ माइनस का प्लस हो गया. So dx by dt a cos t plus b sin t. That is our dx by dt. But in this particular problem, when certain things are repeated, try to make the problem simpler. अभी a cos t plus b sin t means what? Just see कहाँ पे repeat हो गया है. देखो, a cos t plus b sin t, go back to our original equations. a cos t plus b sin t is here. What is its value? Y. So it is simpler for me to call this as y, isn't it? So dx by dt equal to y. बात खत्म. वापस काय को लिखो all these things. When it is possible, ना? नहीं possible है तो ठीक है. Possible है तो लिखा है dx by dt equal to y. Followed? Y की equation. a cos t plus b sin t. dy by dt, again differentiate with respect to t. a is a constant, बाहर रखो, d by dt of cos t plus b is a constant, बाहर रखो, d by dt of sin t. देखो अभी क्या है. Derivative of cos t is minus sin t, so minus a sin t. Derivative of sin t is b cos t. b into sin t का डेरिवेटिव cos t, right? Now again I am trying, यहाँ पे कैसा y substitute किया? So let us see if I can substitute something for this. अगर यहाँ पे substitute किया तो यहाँ पे भी करना चाहिए, because then we will get the answer in terms of x and y. t will be eliminated. So कैसे substitute करना है? Go back to equation 1 now. Equation 2 का काम हो गया ना? We put the value of y over here. Let us see if we can put equation 1. देखो जरा. Smiley says equation 1 देखो properly. What is the value of x? A sin t minus b cos t. लेकिन यहां पे उल्टा आ गया है, माइनस a sin t plus b cos t. Signs have changed. See, what we have got over here is minus a sin t plus b cos t. Now since I am changing the signs over here, naturally this will become minus x. Followed? वापस देखो, बोलता हूं, this is the given value of x, but over here I am getting minus a sin t plus b cos t. What is the value of x given? A sin t minus b cos t, just the opposite of this. So if I want to get minus a sin t plus b cos t, if I change the signs on the RHS, यहाँ पे minus x हो जाएगा. That is the important part. Followed? So minus a sin t plus b cos t becomes minus x. That is the important key step in this problem. Okay? So minus x, it is not x, it is minus x. Followed? Sign change करके. यहाँ मैंने बताया है कैसा minus x हो गया. So now parametric formula, dy by dx, dy by dt upon dx by dt, standard formula, that is minus x upon y. Dy by dt is minus x now, forget about this. Dx by dt is y, forget about this. So dy by dx is equal to minus x upon y is what we have got according to our hint or key step. So one important thing to note is, यहाँ पे parameter t has been removed, parameter चला गया, it has been eliminated. Okay? So because the parameter is eliminated, differentiating with respect to x will be simpler now. Okay? ठीक है. So if you remember the other day, after writing dx by dt, I had said that one more step is important, dt by dx, using invert endo. So dt by dx becomes 1 upon y. But that step is not required over here, because dy by dx is in terms of x and y. यहाँ पे अगर t आता ना, तो बाद में dt by dx would have come over there after differentiating again. But when dy by dx is in terms of x and y, no need of this. इसलिए मैंने लिखा नहीं है. So I'll cross multiply now. Y dy by dx is equal to minus x. अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ. You have to prove this. ये prove करना है. So let us see. Let us go ahead. So I'll start from here. Y dy by dx equal to minus x. इसको differentiate करते हैं with respect to x now. Why did I cross multiply? Because it is simpler for me to use product rule. So derivative of y dy by dx minus derivative of x. Y into dy by dx, product rule. Product rule for derivatives. First function d by dx of dy by dx. Derivative means d by dx. Plus, what does the product rule say? First function derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first. Right hand side derivative of x is 1, this minus 1 is there. आगे चलो, d by dx of dy by dx. Now d by dx of dy by dx is not dy by dx bracket squared. It is the second order derivative. Derivative of derivative means d squared y by dx squared plus dy by dx, और यहां पे और एक dy by dx आ गया, इक्वल टू -1. Followed? So y d squared y by dx squared, dy by dx into dy by dx, dy by dx bracket squared equal to -1. Now dy by dx की value substitute over here from equation 3. dy by dx की value put that over here, because finally in the proof सिर्फ d squared y by dx squared है, dy by dx नहीं है. So I will put this value of dy by dx over here. dy by dx की वैल्यू क्या है? बेसिक वैल्यू -x अपॉन y. फॉलोड? देखो अभी आ गया क्या आंसर? थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई करना है. सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. y d squared y by dx squared, इसका स्क्वायर क्या है? एक्स स्क्वायर्ड अपॉन वाई स्क्वायर्ड इक्वल टू -1. Take this on the right hand side, -x squared upon y squared. आगे we are nearing the end now. Don't worry, some problems are lengthy. We have to go step by step. एक बार step by step समझ में आएगा, then automatically the speed will increase next time. y squared is the LCM. यहाँ पे कोई नंबर नहीं है, कोई लेटर नहीं है, so -1 into y squared minus x squared. Usual way of finding the LCM. Minus sign common, I will write y squared plus x squared. Minus sign common, y squared plus x squared upon y squared. बोलो last step. Last step. Multiplication sign is here. Take y in the denominator. Minus sign outside. X squared plus y squared can be written as y squared plus x squared can be written as x squared plus y squared. ये y squared है. This y goes along with this in the denominator. So finally you can write the minus sign in front. X squared plus y squared. Either take a bracket or leave it as it is. Y squared into y cube. देखो आ गया आंसर. Minus sign outside. If you want to take a bracket, you can take a bracket upon y cube. Followed? तो यहाँ पे 2-3 key steps है, important points. Substitute the values of x and y in dy by dx, get dy by dx in terms of x and y means parameter has been removed. एक बार पैरामीटर रिमूव हो गया तो डायरेक्टली डिफरेंशिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x बाय यूजिंग प्रोडक्ट रूल, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके गेट द आंसर, एंड dy by dx की ओरिजिनल वैल्यू जो है यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करनी है. So keep on looking on what is asked, और जैसा चाहिए वैसा सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. ओके, सो एक बोर्ड में पूछा था एक दो बार. देयर इज अनदर मेथड एक्सप्लेन्ड इन सम टेक्स्ट बुक्स, स्क्वेयरिंग एंड एडिंग. लेकिन वो थोड़ी बड़ी हो जाती है, स्क्वेयरिंग एंड एडिंग देन अगेन टेकिंग द डेरिवेटिव. उससे अच्छा ये है. ओके, सॉल्व इट, एंजॉय एंड शेयर. बाय फॉर नाउ, सी यू.